Look at the beauty that they blessed me with over here. That is incredible. That is just insane. Look at that. They did a one-to-one job on it, looking amazing. No cracks, all polished up. The gold in it just popping out. I cannot believe it. I gotta shout out Chrome Hearts right there, because they hooked me up with just an amazing fix, by the way. It's a miracle. But I was told, crazy enough, that they might have just given me a new one. So these are things that repairs I have no idea about. It is just flabbergasting me how amazing this thing looks, and I'm hoping to do some up close shots on this because it is incredible. I cannot believe that. That is just crazy, insane. So I definitely got to say, welcome back to the show, everyone. I hope everyone is good. Shout out to Chrome Hearts customer service. They were amazing. Again, like I said, if you're ever in town, any place you can, from Las Vegas to Malibu to even LA, Miami, New York, wherever, stop into a Chrome Hearts. Even if you're not going to buy anything, ask questions, check out the brand. They will be super helpful and they'll answer any questions you do have. So I'm pretty much going to go over my experience with my repair on my Chrome Hearts ring. So if you please could like, comment, as well as consider subscribing to the channel if you like what you're seeing. So a little backstory on the ring that I brought in, a nail crossball ring. So if anybody out there knows about the Chrome Hearts nail rings, it's a standard pretty much ring that you do see out there, but my crossball is actually made of gold. So April 6th, I did walk into Chrome Hearts. I was checking out a few things, shopping around, and I ended up picking up a baby fat cross, which is around my neck on this side. That was not the crazy part. So I did bring in the ring just to ask questions on how can I get it fixed, because originally I brought it to a jeweler and they wanted to cover up the entire engraving and just bolster it up that way. I said no, pulled it from the shop, and it took me a couple years to even get it fixed because I didn't know that it was covered. So as you know, while I picked up the cross, I asked Dane again. Big shout out to Dane Martin at the shop. He is amazing. Again, when I was in there, it was literally just me and the guy behind the counter. There was nobody else in the shop. It was like a private viewing for everything. I got to talk about a lot of things, about the history of things, about the stuff I knew, stuff he knew. I love the one-to-one customer service as well as that one-to-one customer appreciation. This is where I brought out the ring to show, hey, is there anything I could do about this? And it literally has a crack. Now, I'm gonna show some pictures right there. The crack actually went through the middle of the ring, right through the O engraving on chrome. So as soon as he saw the crack, he immediately just grabbed it from me and goes, I got it covered. And he wrote out a repair form like right on the spot, and he took it from me. I didn't expect that. Again, I know a lot of these high-end brands, including Chrome Hearts, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, they'll take a lot of the bags and they do fix them. But in this case, I didn't have original receipt. I didn't have proof of purchase. These are things that I thought were importantly needed to even start this repair. This is where the copy of the repair form PDF actually comes back to me, and I noticed that it said around 4 to 6 weeks. 6 weeks came along and passed, and I literally had to go call. So I did call. In this case, I was told that repairs aren't finite. So that 4 to 6 weeks is just a guesstimation, more of a guesstimation than an estimation of when it would be done. So I was okay. I mean, it's a free job. Why not? Let's do this. So June 8th, that is the 9th week I've been waiting, right in the middle. Get the phone call from Chrome Hearts. They do call me up and they do ask, did I want to walk in to pick it up or did I want shipping? So shipping would have been 16 bucks. I could have just waited, but might have taken another 3-4 days, maybe 5 days. I have no idea, but I decided to go in myself. This is where you see in that video, I am just blown away. They were tentative to what it was, and they were, you know, I got so many compliments about it because it is a beautiful ring and it literally came out one-to-one. And this is where in the video I did mention that, and the girl next to me did mention it was probably a new ring, which did some back and forth with pictures that I had originally, which I'll show in the ring that I got. And yes, it is a brand new ring. So they probably tried their best, like I said, where the crack was as well as where they would have to fill it and fix it. It would have came out kind of messy, and I don't know how they do the engraving. I am very happy on what I got and how beautifully it fits. Not only that, how it looks, it is just incredible. The gold pops. Like I said, I want to keep it like this as much as I can because the way it was looking was kind of sad, and in this case it came out amazing, and I am super happy to have it back. As well as that, the gold kind of didn't wrap all the way around. In this case, each crossball right in the end looks incredible. As well as that, the back of it is completely covered in gold. So this is just an amazing piece. Again, on the regular crossball rings, you're looking at maybe 385, 400 bucks for it. In this case, because the gold crossball on it, you know, jumps crazy amount because their quality of gold looks amazing. And also there's an entire room in Chrome Hearts, like when you go in this back room, it is amazing. It's covered with gold jewelry, and the way they polish it up and the way it looks is just buttery. That's all I gotta say, buttery. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped out for anybody looking for Chrome Hearts repair, because this was my experience and it came out beautifully. Like I was saying, I'm so happy receiving the ring from the shop, and it definitely was an experience. So with that, I'm just gonna say what I always say. Hit that sub button because my videos are coming. This was Mick from Fresh from the Flea.